Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture we will learn how to apply seismic forces or seismic load in StatPro VATI software. In previous videos we learned how to apply dead load and live load. This video is about seismic loads. According to IS code 1893 2002/2005. Uh, Here is one building of G plus 3 floor. We applied a property, slab thickness, property for beam and property for column, and all the supports as a fixed support. Just go to load and definition and click on this plus sign, add definitions, and go to seismic definitions. Click on seismic definitions, click on add, select the code as Indian IS 1893 2002/2005. Then click on generate. Look at this window. There is two options in choice. First one is for city and second one is for zones. If you select city, there is all the major cities of India will appear. Select your particular city. If you are constructing a building or designing a building in Delhi, then select Delhi. It will take zone factor automatic as a Z is equal to 0.24 for Delhi. If you select zone, then there is 4 zones in India: zone 2, zone 3, zone 4 and zone 5. If you select zone 2, then zone factor will be 0.1, zone 3 0.16, zone 4 0.24. It means Delhi is in zone 4. Zone 5 0.36. Some of the areas of India comes under zone 5. Zone 5 is very severe in seismic. Zone 4 is less severe. Zone 2 is again less, and zone 2 is very safe. Go to city and select Delhi. Then response reduction factor. There are so many options, depends on your structure which option you have to choose. Now we are designing a concrete building or reinforced concrete RC building, and it is a movement resisting frame. So we have two options. First one is ordinary RC movement resisting frame for RCC building and special RC movement resisting frame. If your structure is very special, then select special RC movement resisting frame. If your structure is ordinary, then select ordinary RC movement resisting frame. I am selecting a special RC movement resisting frame. Then importance factor. If your building is important, such as school building, hospital building or any other public building, then select important building. If your building is normal, general, warehouses or a small house, then select all the general building. Now I am selecting important building. It will automatically take its factor. Then rock soil type. Select according to area. If your soil is soft, then select soft soil. If your soil is medium, then select medium soil. If your soil is hard, then select hard soil. Now I am selecting medium soil. Damping ratio must be 0. Depth of foundation. Now I am taking depth of foundation is 2 meter. Period of X and period of Z. There is one formula in the code 1893 for period of X and period of Z. Just go to this code and read out what is this formula. I think it is 0.09 H upon root D. H is height of building and D is a width of building. Calculate this parameter from there and click on generate. After generate, just add this one. After adding, add the self weight as 1 add, then go to member weight, loading type uniform uni, provide weight of outer wall as 14 kilonewton per meter, it is in positive, add this one, weight of inner wall is 7 kilonewton per meter and weight of parapet wall is 2. Just close this, take front view, select the floors except above floor or top floor, go to view, view selected object only, top view, select 14 kilonewton load and apply at outer wall of this building or outer beams of this building. Assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Select 7 kilonewton load and select all the inner beams of this building. Then go to assign to selected beam, assign and yes. Display whole structure from this icon. Again select front view and select top floor beams. Again go to view and selected objects only. Take top view, select 2 kilonewton load and select all the outer beams where parapet wall will exist. Assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Now all the definition is ready. Just go to load case details. Add this one. Select loading type as seismic. Must remember seismic cases must be first or any other load case. Provide EQ earthquake plus X first load case, EQ minus X second load case, EQ plus Z third load case and EQ minus Z fourth load case. Then we will make a load case of dead load, live load or wind load. Earthquake load cases must be first. Select this first load case, go to add, then go to seismic loads. Select X direction, factor will be 1. Add this one and close. Then go to second load case. Add this one, go to seismic loads, X direction, for minus X factor will be minus 1. Add and close. Select third load case, add seismic loads, Z direction, factor is plus 1. Add this one. Fourth load case for minus Z, go to seismic loads, Z direction, factor will be minus 1 and add this one. Now my seismic definition is complete. Just go to load case detail and create a load case for dead load. Select loading type as dead and provide a name dead load. Then create again live load. And provide a proper dead load and live load in this load cases. Follow previous videos of dead load and live load according to IS code to apply dead load and live load. Now I am going to load case detail, add and auto load combination to generate a combinations of load. Then go to select load combination code, Indian code, generate loads, all the loads are generated, and go to add and close. Now you can analyze this structure after applying a dead load and live load. Subscribe this channel, like this video, and thanks for watching.